YouTube, what's going on, baby? It's your girl Joy, and of course I'm back ready to give you guys some more of that good here on Fine Lemon Lime. Okay, today we're going to be whipping up a nutty chocolate chip pumpkin bread. All right, you're gonna have the nice walnuts on the top, give you a little crunch, chocolate chips all throughout to give you a little bit of that melted chocolatey goodness, and of course that fall pumpkin to really bring it on home. Okay, it's moist, all right, it's light, it's fluffy, it's delicious, it's that good. So let's hop right into it. We want to start by getting the oven ready for that action at 350 degrees. So we're going to start with 2 mashed up bananas, 1 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree. Go ahead and get all that. We want all that. Okay. Then we have 1/3 cup of coconut oil. Then we have 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And we also have 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You want to mix that well. Once it's fully incorporated, all right, this is what it'll look like. It's okay to have some banana chunks in there, but just give it a little flavor. Don't worry about it. Next, for our dry ingredients, we're going to be adding 1 1/2 cups of flour. And then we're going to be adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of that good old pumpkin spice master blend that I keep on telling y'all about. Okay, I keep on telling y'all about it. Link to the pumpkin spice master blend is in my description. Okay, let's go ahead and throw that in there. Add in our wet ingredients, that pumpkin puree with the banana and everything. We're gonna put that right on in here. Now remember, this bread is gonna have that good old melted down chocolate. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and fold in 1/2 cup of chocolate chips right there inside of the batter. You want to mix this just until it combines. Okay, you don't want to over mix it. You want the pumpkin and the flour to be all battered together, but that's it. Don't go too crazy. After you mix it all up nice and cute, we're going to add the batter, which is not too watery, not too none of that. It's going to be nice and thick. We're going to add it to a loaf pan that's lined with a parchment paper. Okay, guys, let's take this loaf to the next level. We're going to add some chocolate chips to the top, and of course, a little bit of crunch. We're going to add some walnuts on top as well. Okay, guys, this is the finished product. Look how beautiful this loaf is. Time to get a little cutting action. And you can just see how moist this loaf is. Get into it. Get into it. And with that being said, guys, there you have your pumpkin walnut chocolate chip loaf. Amazing.